Let us write these three cases together. So let us take this as input, transistors condition, that is the transistors condition. So this is the input, and what will be the output. Let us see this. So let us see this. We have taken three cases. In the first one, when the input is less than VIL, that is cut-in voltage of Q1. What is the conditions of the transistors? Q1 is off and Q2, due to fixed bias given, it will be in on condition. So due to Q2 in on condition, what is the output voltage? I have given the expression for output voltage as VCC minus IC2 into RC. So this is the first case one. So in case 2, what we have taken? We have taken the input between VIL and VIU. So in this region of input, what is the conditions of the transistor? Q1 is turned into on condition. Q2 is also turned into on condition. So in this case, what is the output? Output is amplified version of input. In this case, what is the output? Output is an amplified version of the input but not inverted. So let us see what is the third case we have taken when the input voltage is greater than VIU upper limit. So Q1 will remain on. So under this condition, Q2 will be turned into off condition. So therefore, what is the V0 we got? V0 is equal to VCC. So based on this, let us plot the transfer characteristics. Very simple. Transfer characteristics. Say this is your input voltage. Somewhere locate. So this is VBB2. You have to mention VBB2 here. So let us take two limits. Say this is VIL lower limit. Say this is your upper limit, VIU upper limit. Just mention with the dotted lines. These two levels mentioned with the dotted lines. So you can see that when the input is less than, from the above condition, when the input is less than VIL, so what is the output? The output is VCC minus IC2 into RC. You have to clearly mention VCC2. So VCC2, sorry, VCC minus IC2 into RC. So this is the, actually this axis is the output axis. So output voltage axis. So what is the conditions of the transistor? The conditions of the transistor you have to also mention. Q1 will be in off condition and Q2 will be in on condition. So once in between VIL and VIU, so the output is the faithful reproduction of the input. So you have to draw a smooth curve straight line, because it is an amplification. Output is faithful reproduction of the input. So therefore, so when the input is greater than VIU, so again what is the output? The output is equal to VCC. You have to draw like this. So here, so what is in this region of input? So what is the conditions of Q1? Q1 will be in on condition. Q2 transistor will be also in on condition. So during this region of input, so Q1 will be in on condition. This region makes Q2 into off condition. So this is a smooth graph. So this is called as the transfer characteristics graph of emitter coupled flipper. You have to mention in the examination. So one more important point you have to observe, that the difference between VIU and VIL is 4.4 into eta into Vt. So this is the difference between the upper and lower limit of input voltage, which makes the output faithful reproduction of the input. So this is the clipping region. So this is also the clipping region. That's why it is called as two-level clipper. So let us derive why the difference between VIU and VIL is 4.4 eta Vt. Let us see in the coming session. in the coming session. So coming to the circuit here, so apply KVL to this branch, you can see that VI minus V1 minus to plus V2 minus VB2 is equal to 0. Remember that, apply KVL to this loop, VI minus V1 plus V2 minus VB2 is equal to 0. So that is what we write here. Applying KVL, applying Kirchhoff voltage law to the circuit, what we can write, VI minus V1 base temperature voltage of transistor Q1 plus V2 base temperature voltage of transistor Q2 minus VBB2 is equal to 0. So I want the input voltage VI. So take V1 minus V2 plus VBB2. So let us find out what is the value of this V1 minus V2 from diode characteristics. Because base temperature is always considered as a diode. The relation between voltage and current of a diode. So very important relation. The relation between voltage and current of a diode, very important from EDC subject. So I is equal to, what is this? I0 into e power V by eta Vt minus 1. So this is the very important relation. As you know that I0 is the reverse saturation current. So what is V? So V is voltage. Remember that, voltage across the diode. Capital I is the current through the diode. So eta is equal to 1 for silicon and 2 for germanium. And what is Vt formula? So very all these are basics of EDC. T by 11,600 at room temperature at T is equal to 27 degrees centigrade. So that means 300 Kelvin. So it will come out as 26 millivolts. So now, so generally this term is very large as compared with 1. So therefore I is approximately written as I0 into e power V by eta into Vt. So I use this relation to derive the difference between VAU minus VAL as 4.4 eta Vt. So let us check it out. So from the circuit for transistor Q1, let us write for transistor Q1. So let us write what is the current through the transistor, I1. So I0 will remain. What is the, for transistor, the base temperature voltage, V1 by eta Vt. So for transistor Q2, similarly for transistor Q2, so what we can write, I2, the current through the transistor IT is equal to I0 into the base temperature voltage is V2 by eta Vt. So let us divide this I1 by I2. So therefore divide I1 by I2. So what you can write it as I0 gets cancels out. I1 by I2. So that is equal to I0 gets cancelled out. It is written as e power V1 minus V2 by eta Vt. If you take natural logarithm and multiply with eta Vt, so V1 minus V2 will become eta Vt into natural logarithm of I1 by I2. V1 minus V2 is equal to eta Vt into log I1 by I2, where I1 and I2 are the current shown in the circuit. Just let us substitute this V1 minus V2 here in the expression Vi. So therefore Vi is written as, what is V1 minus V2? Eta Vt log I1 by I2 plus VBB2. So let us take here two cases and the answer will come. So first let us take A. Let us take A. So when VI is equal to VIL. So under this case, what is the current? Under this case, the current is very small, 0.1 I. The current I2 will be very large in the circuit, 0.2 I. If you add I1 plus I2, you can see that I will come. Because of this input is very low, I1 is just take it at 0.1 I, I2 take it at 0.9 I. So substitute here in this equation. So therefore in place of VI, what we have to write? So VIL. So VIL. So that is equal to eta Vt into natural logarithm of 0.1 I by 0.9 I plus VBB2. So what will give? I gets cancels out. 0.1 by 0.9 will become 1 by 9. So therefore it is written as minus eta Vt log 9 plus VBB2. Let us call this as equation 1. Similarly in this equation, so case B, when Vi is equal to upper limit VIU. Under this case, what is the current? The current will be very high through the transistor Q1, and the current I2 in the transistor 2 will become very small, such that I1 plus I2 is equal to always I. So let us substitute in this equation. What is our expression? Vi will become VIU eta Vt natural logarithm of what is I1? 0.9 I by 0.1 I plus VBB2. So what it will become? I gets cancelled out. 0.9 by 0.1 will become 9. So therefore eta Vt log 9 plus VBB2. So let us call this as equation 2. So what we want? We want the difference between the upper level and lower level, which makes both transistors Q1 and Q2 into on condition. So therefore subtract 2 minus 1. So therefore VIU minus VIL. So that is equal to what is VIU? Eta Vt log 9 plus VBB2. So from equation 1, what is VIL? Plus eta Vt log 9 minus VBB2. So these two terms gets cancels out. So therefore the difference between upper limit and lower limit of input voltage will come out as 2 eta Vt log 9. If you substitute log 9 from the calculator, so and multiply with 2, you get as VIL is equal to 4.4 into eta into Vt. So that's why we have shown in the graph the difference between the upper level and the lower level is 4.4 eta Vt, hence proved. So you can see from this diagram. So what is the difference between upper limit and lower limit, which makes the transistor, both transistor Q1 and Q2 in on condition 4.4 into eta Vt. So this is about what you have to write about the very simple and important question in the examination, emitter coupled clipper. Thank you.